If you have struggled with missed calls and chat conversations in your business, GoDaddy Conversation Widget is a unified inbox for managing your customers' messages for various channels. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up the widget. So when you come into the conversations area, this is the overview tab. You can invite your members to manage your inbox. These are all your channels: Instagram, Facebook, emails, phone calls, and also our Instagram ads and WhatsApp business platform. Back to overview. This will be your message area, your inbox area. When they are asking you or inquiring something, this is how it will look. You will not have any other information into a guest user. So when you're doing an auto response chatbot widget, I recommend you ask for a name and an email. So that way you can manually put the information in your customer area. How you are performing, the message volume, response time. Here, this part is if you want the GoDaddy conversation, you have the built-in app in my phone. So you can send conversations, all the channels that you set up, you'll have it on your phone. And for the deluxe, it's up to 5 channels and up to 5 emails that you can add. You get 1 phone call number and then with an SMS. And what else? So that's the overview button. We hover back to the settings, notifications. This will be your default area. Put whatever email where everything that you want to be will go under one email. You can enable push notifications, press save. Now over down to the website chat. This is the area where you're going to set up the chat widget. So here, I already connected mine. So you have to put your domain name. This is another one I just did a test. So when you put your domain name, it does come with a generic email until you go to the settings and change that. So we'll create a new chat widget so you see what I mean. So first, because as you saw that, I put test. So I'll put here test 1. Test 2 to show you a live demonstration. So this is an internal name. It can be anything. Click next. Choose which email inbox that you want. So this one is already taken. This is already taken. So this, if you want to create a new one, you will have a generic one, and then you can later fix it so it goes to your personalized inbox. So I will go here, create new. It says we have created a new inbox for you, because I think I have up to 5 emails that I can use. That's why I'm able to create a new one. Generating widget. So this is how a generic one will look. You can customize. So the customization is where you do the questions. Let us know if you have any questions. You can say, hi, may I have your email and phone number? You can preload about 4 hours. You can preload about your prices, your packages that you offer. It can be about anything under the greetings area. So the add to website is where I was saying you will later add a URL. You can later add a URL domain here. So we'll go to customize first. So after you go through that, you can save the changes. So associate website. That was the test we put. External name. Here is where you will connect your email, because it's now generated a new one for me. I can go edit, and then this is where you will put your email, whatever email that you want. Greetings message, that is now the chatbot itself. Remember, this is just for greetings, and it can be about anything you want. It depends on what your website is about. Make sure it relates to your website, because this is for it's mostly for cold leads, so they don't know your website, they don't know who you are. So yeah, I started off. Let us know if you have any questions. They might type I have a question, and then you can customize however you want for the questions. If you have no idea, there's an AI suggestion here that you can use, or you can just add your own. See, it'll keep popping up. But anyway, let's go over AI suggestions. So this is the AI suggestions. What time do you open each day? Remember to be professional and keep it simple. For purposes, for demonstration purposes, I'll just put very short answers. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. Are you open on weekends? No. And you'll see it will overpopulate on this side. Are you open on weekends? So when they choose that, the answer comes in here. Automatically it'll say no. You have special hours here. You can enter the answer. And remember, if you don't like the AI suggestions, you can always delete. You can also adjust, input whatever. Or just create a new one here. See that one? It's over here. So you can adjust the pre-populated AI suggestions, or you can add another one. Okay, what do you offer? We have 3 basic packages. Contact us for customized packages. And it can be anything you want. I'm not sure if you can put an exact URL here. Like let's say we have 3 basic packages, and then you put the URL of your package page, or maybe a menu page. I don't know if you can do that. I have not tried that, but you can be creative with that. I think it might let you. I think it will go through. It will take them to the answer they were looking for. And that's for the greetings. And here, dismiss conversations. That's just nothing. That appearance is the color. As you see, it's blue, can be black. Ooh, like that. So that's the color. Basically, that's what I like doing. I like everything looking aesthetic and warm. So that's the chat appearance. It's just a color. You can put your brand color or logo, whatever you want. Confirmation message. This one is optional. So for me, I left it blank. Chat availability. So chat availability is that one. But this is the easiest way to do the chat widget under GoDaddy. It's very easy, simple. Click save, and after I click save, I can copy this HTML code and put it in any website. So this, you basically created a chat widget for any website, right? It's not for one particular website. This is for a specific website that you want. So you'll click save and copy HTML code and then paste it on the website area. So I click save, then I'll copy this code, then back to settings, and then example, and then you paste your code in the area where you paste your HTML codes, and then the chat widget will appear. So that's how you do that. That's a standard. To learn more about AI automations, subscribe to this channel I will be going over some of the wonderful must-have AI features from GoDaddy.